Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got something interesting today. Do you remember this? The TIVDIO HR11. It's actually the W. In January, I did several shows on this. This is the generic box that they have now. So they have an HR-11W and 11S. The W is for the one that has the weather band. The S is the one that has the shortwave band. And I'm going to give away the W, the weather band one. It is red, it's not green. Matter of fact, I'll open this up. I've only got maybe 6 hours on this, so this is like brand new. Get it out of I love their packaging. So I'm just going to show it to you in the box. I'm not going to take it out of the box. There it is right there. It's red. It's got this nice display here. It's AM, FM, weather band, MP3 player. I think it's text reader. This thing does everything. So I'm going to give this away. I'm behind on my giveaways this year, so I'm going to try to catch up. And we're going to start off with this one. This is a pretty, I think this was about $35 from Amazon. And it was sent to me by TIVDIO. They sent me several radios. The green one like this, which is the shortwave. But this is the red one. I wish the shortwave one was red because I like red. But anyway, so I'm going to give this away. And all you have to do to get in the giveaway, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is send me an email to TRRS73@gmail.com and tell me the state, only the state you live in. That's all I need right now. That's to verify that you live in the continental United States or you have a mailing address in the continental United States, because mailing it outside the United States, especially because this has got a lithium battery, it can be a kind of a nightmare. So I apologize for the people that live outside the United States. I know there's a lot of people that live outside the United States that watch my videos. I apologize, but I can only include people that live in the United States. So that's all you have to do. You don't have to be a subscriber. Just happen to view this show. Now, this year I'm going to do things a little different. I've had trouble in the past with people entering a giveaway, winning the giveaway, and never disappearing. And so the item sits on the shelf. I had that happen at least twice last year. So in order for the item to actually be given away, I'm going to give you 30 days from the day of the drawing to claim the item. If you don't claim it, then I'm going to put it back in the pile for another giveaway. That way the item actually goes out to somebody. You know, I don't know why people did not respond to something that I was giving away. Maybe they decided, I didn't want it that bad, and I've got to give out my mailing address for him to mail it to me. I just forget it. And then never responded back to me. So anyway, that's a new rule for this year. That's the only rule, besides the fact you need to live in the continental United States. So that's it. There's no games you have to play or anything. It's a giveaway. It's not a contest. It's a giveaway. I want to give these radios away. I hate to admit, I got hundreds of radios. And I'd like to give away some of my big radios that weigh 50 pounds, but I ain't about to mail one of those things. So this one it's got a hand crank for charging. It's got a solar cell on the top for charging. It's got an emergency alert. It's got a phone charger. You can use it for a phone charger. It's got a flashlight, a built-in flashlight, a DSP chip, AM, automatic tuning and storing, station presets, 1,500 preset stations you can set in, Bluetooth. This is a Bluetooth speaker also. I can't believe this. A recorder. You can record off of the radio or off the built-in microphone, an MP3 player, a sleep timer, alarm clock, a lyrics display. See if you're playing MP3 music that has lyrics built into it, a calendar time date function, a FM stereo, and hands-free use with your cell phone via the Bluetooth. This thing, I mean, if you don't win this and you don't have one, you gotta at least buy one. Of course, I sell them in my Amazon store. And I thank the people at TIVDIO for sending me, I think they've sent me about a half a dozen different radios. And they've all turned out to be pretty nice little radios. So anyway, that's it. Just send an email to TRRS73@gmail.com and tell me the state. That's all I want to know. I don't want to know your address. If you win, I will have to get your address. But this way, only the one person that wins is going to have to give me their address. The rest of the people don't. Just need the state. I don't even need the city. Just the state. Whew. Are you happy now? Have a great day. Bye-bye.